Good morning, traders. Today I'm going to do a GU update. This will be the third update since August 1st. It's been a minute since I was able to be able to give you this update, but I did call this trade idea. So here's my original video. I'm going to go ahead and play it. Before the 1st of August, this is where the market was. I saw that we were looking, well, I was looking for the market to come down to the 1.27 area to give the right shoulder for a buy up to around the next area of resistance. So as I go ahead and let me back the video up and pause it. As you can see, market came down and then the market pushed back up, pulled back down, made a created a lower low. We have our changing character right here. And so I expected the market to come back to the right shoulder. Fast forward a couple days later, and I got a lot going on. Sorry on my chart, but we're gonna get to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, market was coming back down. It did come down to the. It did pull back. Let me use some trading terms. I'm sorry. I keep saying coming back down. The market pulled back to the area of interest that I was looking to take the buy to give the right shoulder. As you can see, if you were to go back on the 4 hour time frame and see that I was looking at this particular setup overall. So market came down. This is what I was looking at. Gave this big push. There was fresh money down here for the right shoulder. When you drop to the 1 hour time frame, so you got your 4 hour confirmation, you drop to the 1 hour time frame for your entries, or 15 minutes for those who like to get a better entry. You could have set a limit order down here and took this market back up for over as high as about 171 pips. By the time I actually saw this trade, it was right. It was on this pullback right here. So that was my confirmation. So you had a bigger head and shoulder and then a smaller head and shoulder on a smaller time frame. You could have also took the trade from this level and called about 100 pips as well. And so congratulations for those who took the trade. Moving forward on GU, I'm clear out my chart now. I am gonna go up on my daily time frame, figure out where we are in the market. It is I see it's hugging this trend, excuse me, this moving average, this 15 period moving average, okay? It's hugging it pretty tightly. Look like we're in some consolidation a little bit. It's moving a little sideways. We got a nice little range going on. So let me go ahead and just box this area up real quick. And what I see for now, yes, we are technically still in an uptrend per se. And the reason why I say that is because it hasn't broke this demand zone at all. So this was the last selling candle that pushed this market up. Market is respected this demand zone, excuse me. Market has respected this demand zone. So until it closes below here, I won't start looking for sales. So right now, because we're in this range, I'm probably going to wait until I see a better picture, unless I drop to the lower time frame. I'm going to go ahead and drop my trend line to show that we're still trending up on a 4 hour time frame. Let's see what we're looking like. I don't really see much. We're still on this nice pullback on the 4 hours. So if you are counter trend trading, you could probably take some sell ideas. If you would have took it here, you would have got the retest sold a little bit. If you're counter trend trading, I'm going to patiently wait. And if I was to draw a trend line from this most recent, these 2 points right here, well, it did break above it. I could expect to see some momentum for the buy up to continue up on this gradual incline. Now, what I'm looking for, I have a red box down here. Looks like it's already the market retested this red box right here. Let me turn on fractals real quick, see if I can get another opportunity. All right, so we do have a fractal, a swing point right here is not complete. I'm still waiting for the market to break above this candle to the left on the 4-hour time frame. So when the market closes above here, and I can expect to buy, and that'll be my 4-hour confirmation for the buy up. So the market will need to do this. Okay. Now on a lower time frame, I'm pretty sure we have some other opportunities. Let me go ahead and just mark this over. So I expect the market to do this, to break above, retest, and buy. Now I am going to look for my next area of interest or where it would buy to. We got a lot of resistance right here. So this is the next area. If I was to take this buy from this level to this level, that's about 40 pips. So a quick 40 pips day trade. On the 1-hour time frame, let's see what do we have. We do have a fractal here, a swing point, signal candle on to the left, market close above. If you would have saw this early on, you would have been in this buy right now, and you could possibly be in profit. Well, you are in profit. Let me rephrase that. Depending on your entry, about 16 pips at the most, 15 pips. So if you were on a 1-hour time frame, we all know on the higher time frame you get your bigger moves, more pips. When you're on the lower time frame, unless there's news, expect to get about 20 pips per hour. That's on average. So that's what I'm looking at for GU. I want GU to break out of this sideways movement. I wanted to break above this resistance and just push back up. Now, if we look at the dollar index, we can kind of see let's see what's going on here. All right, so for the dollar holla, we can see that we are at a nice area of resistance per se. It's almost to my little red box. This red box is a imbalance area that I have marked up. It almost reached up there. It did right here. So we can see some signs that possibly might be slowing down, but that's on the daily time frame. I do expect the dollar to eventually come back down and at least give me the right shoulder on this inverted. And so we know when the market start moving down on the dollar, everything ending in, for the most part, everything ending in ending in USD should go up. So it would be nice to see the dollar pull back, give the right shoulder to continue up. And so that would be our opportunity to buy GU. So this week we might see some sell off for the dollar. Now, and before we assume anything, we definitely remove this alert. I definitely want to see a 4-hour confirmation, possibly a break below swing points. Let's see, let's drop down. This is not as quick. Okay, there we go. There's a blue box. So that's a nice demand zone. This is on a 3-hour. And when the market breaks below this demand zone right here, since this is the last selling candle that pushed this market up, we have one here, but it's kind of consolidated. I think that's some manipulation, so I'm not going to look at that one. We could definitely say this market is ready to sell off. And so if you were trading the dollar, this will be a good sell. But until that happens, the dollar is bullish. Now, let's go ahead and see if I can find anything else of interest. Probably nothing much. It is Monday. So I'll look for some other setups. I'll post some other videos and drop it on my channel in the future. And we'll go over a strategy to help you with your trading. So happy trading, everybody. Thank you for everyone who's tuned in on my journey. Good luck. Take care. Stay tuned to the next one.